Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the message field and using Discord's inline markdown construct. Type 2 underscores immediately before the word or phrase you want underlined. This tells Discord to start underline formatting. Once done, continue typing your content without spaces between the underscores and the first character. Make sure to avoid adding other formatting markers yet, because Discord processes combinations differently. So begin here, and we will layer other styles in the next step. Next, close the underline by typing 2 underscores at the end of the selection. You must place them directly after the last character. If you want bold underline, nest markers like asterisk asterisk text asterisk asterisk. For italic underline, use asterisk text asterisk. Be careful. Order matters, place opening markers in one sequence and mirror them when closing. Once you practice these combinations, you can emphasize text precisely, because Discord parses finish by sending the message and confirming the underline displays. If it doesn't render, inspect for a stray space or a missing closing. Unmatched markers are the most common cause. Also ensure you're not inside a code block, because backticks override markdown. If you need to display the raw underscores without formatting, wrap the text in a single backtick or triple backticks for multi-line. This preserves the characters rather than applying styles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.